In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit project statuses on Zoho projects. To begin, make sure you are signed in to Zoho projects and that you are inside the correct portal for your team. Once you are in, open the project where you want to update statuses. From the project navigation, go to the Tasks area. This is where you will see your tasks laid out in a list, often grouped by task list. If your view looks slightly different, that is fine. The key is that you are looking at a task list view where each task has columns or fields you can interact with. Now focus on the status field. In the tasks list, find the column or label that says status. This area controls the current state of a task, such as open, in progress, or closed, depending on your setup. Click directly on status for the task you want to change. When you click it, Zoho projects will open a small menu or selector so you can choose a different status. Next, click on Open. In many projects, Open is the default status for new tasks, and selecting it here confirms that you are actively choosing a status from the available options. After you click Open, look for the status option again and click Open a second time. This second click typically confirms the selection or applies it to the task, depending on how the status menu is displayed in your account. As a quick tip, after you make the change, pause for a moment and look at the task row to confirm the status now shows the value you selected. If your page refreshes or the menu closes, that is normal. It usually means the update has been applied. If you are editing several tasks, repeat the same process. Click the status field for the next task, then choose the status you need. That covers everything you need to know.